In this highlights video, we'll be taking a look at Studio 3T's Collection tab. The Collection tab is a great way to display and manage the contents of a MongoDB collection. To open a collection, go to the connection tree and double-click a MongoDB dataset. The Collection tab opens in its own window. It's comprised of the main query bar, which includes fields such as query, projection, sort, skip, and limit. It also has settings to define sorting rules, such as auto-suggest hints as you type, open multi-line editor for querying, query options, and the ability to wipe to clear existing queries. In addition, it has easy access to powerful query tools such as the AI Helper and Visual Query Builder. Below, there's the Results tab, where your MongoDB data can be viewed in either table view, similar to a spreadsheet layout, tree, and JSON view. In all three views, we can see our document count, and data can be set as color-coded in the gear icon, making it easier to read, write, and debug, even more so with Show Data Type icon switched on. Here we can refresh our data, updating if any changes were made, show next or previous pages, and set the number of documents to show per page. We can even type the desired amount in the field. And there are even tools to help with locking a document, adding document, viewing, editing, finding values, showing update dialog, and deleting documents. We can additionally access these same features by right-clicking our documents and choosing within the dropdown. Adjacent to the Results tab is the Query Code tab. Here, we can translate from Mongo Shell into other programmable languages. And the Explain tab helps visualize the steps MongoDB took to execute a query. Back atop, in the query bar, we can either manually type our query into the text fields. Studio 3T's auto-completion speeds up the process. Or, when creating a query in Visual Query Builder, that same query information will be mirrored in JSON in these fields. And the same will hold true when using the AI Helper. If you're new to MongoDB, both of these tools can be extremely helpful with learning to write your own MongoDB queries. Now click Run. We can additionally load a pre-existing query from here, as well as save the query we just made. Click Save Query As from the dropdown. A Save Query window opens. First, we need to name it. Then choose a folder, either local or a shared folder, one that is set up via team sharing, and click Save. Going over to My Resources, it'll appear in that shared folder. We can also see it in the breadcrumb trail above in the collection window. Other options here are to view query history, where you can further deal with matters of query management, set default query, and copy and paste data. Overall, the Collection tab is a central hub for working with your data collections stored in your MongoDB database. For more detailed information on this topic, please see our article in the link below. Also, please see our other highlights videos on getting more from MongoDB with the power of Studio 3T. Thanks for watching, and happy displaying and managing your MongoDB data.